This is absolutely the aftermath of a battlefield. That's how it looks. I was wondering why at the government organized Songkrans they didn't allow the powder, but this is clearly because it makes a big mess. Good morning! I'm here at the entrance of Khao San Road, and we all saw the videos about Songkran this year, and Khao San is completely packed, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of the aftermath. It's Saturday morning, it's 7:15. I'm here on my bicycle, so let's have a look. You can see that it's a huge mess. It must have been mayhem here. It's unbelievable how many cleaning crews they need. Hello! So there are still a few people awake, or they woke up again. You know, this is something that a lot of people forget. The cleaners who clean up this city every day, and these guys, they should get a medal. I've seen at least 4 or 5 cleaning trucks. This year we did not manage to get to Khao San during this Songkran, so I might have a look tonight, but I'm not sure. It looks like a battlefield. I can see that everybody had a rough night. So there's one more night coming up. It's Saturday morning now. And today is the last day of Songkran. Khao San Road has always been the epicenter of Songkran. So see, there's still a few people in the bar here. I went to Silom this morning, where they have big parties as well, but that's completely cleaned, but I think they organize it in a different way. So you can see it's very slippery. I have to also be careful with my bike to not fall on my nose. Well, they basically have a lineup here of trucks to clean the area, so I guess they have a cleaning truck traffic jam here. So let's do another round. Big thank you to the cleaning people. They make it all possible for these kind of celebrations to continue.ขอบคุณมากครับ ครับ ขอบคุณมากครับ ครับ They must not be so happy with all the foreigners that come here and mess it all up. So I guess this is the last bastion, the last Songkran party that's still going on, and it all happens again this afternoon. Buy your guns here. The ice needs to be restocked. Tour is going on. I mean, life continues. Tomorrow morning we will fly to Koh Phangan. We will fly to Koh Tao and Koh Phangan. So the next couple of updates are going to be about the islands. So let's have a look in Rambutri. I'm here in Rambutri Road, and it's actually the same mess as in Khao San. Cleaning crews coming through. See if I can go through. Yep. This is absolutely the aftermath of a battlefield. That's how it looks. And I think I was wondering why at the government organized Songkrans they didn't allow the powder, but this is clearly because it makes a big mess. So this is the first Songkran in 3 years, and I've been to many Songkrans, but I never filmed it, and I've never looked at it as a YouTuber, and it is something different. See, Leo got the sponsoring in. This part is a little bit less messy. So you can see that the party really centralizes around Rambutri and Khao San Road. So let's go and have a last check at Khao San. So all the garbage has been removed, and the last sweep is a water truck that sprays the whole street, and it's almost like magic. Look, it looks as new. Amazing job. If you see the footage of what I made about half an hour earlier, how it looks like brand new. Khao San is ready for the last day and night of Songkran. I think the first people are probably gonna come in again. Amazing how they managed to clean the streets here. I'm gonna finish my video here about Khao San and the cleaning up of Khao San after the Songkran. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe. You know I will keep you up to date about everything that goes on in Bangkok, and not only the standard stuff, but I'm going out in the mornings to show you these kind of things as well. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.